Alright, let's check out this 3-bed, 2-bath Arabella. It is 2,100 square foot, made by Clayton. I want to show you the open area, the common area. Then I'll show you the layout, and then we'll look at some of the specifics like the primary and the bedrooms so you can get oriented and check out this floor plan. So, let's go with the floor plan here. This one is pretty sweet. You have a formal entrance. You don't see that a lot anymore. You have what's called like a formal entrance, a dedicated entrance space, an office area. You have your living room, dining room area, your kitchen. You have a hallway here for your side door, a dinette area, and then you have your hallway which leads to your 2 bedrooms. You have your primary bedroom and bathroom and closet. Alright, so let's walk this thing starting with the entrance here, and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so like I said, this is your front door. So when you walk in your front door, what you see is you see this hallway that leads to the office, and then you see your area where you have the common space. So you have the living room, you have the kitchen here, nice double fridge, nice island, you have your oven and your range, and you have your side door. Alright, over here you have tons of open space. Let me zoom out so you can see everything. You have, oops, sorry about that. Let me zoom out so you can see everything. You have, here's a 3D view here, and let's go into the primary. So here's the primary bedroom. It is right over here. So when you walk in this way, you have tons of open space here in the bedroom. It is airy. You have your end tables. You have your furniture here. Instead of the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom here. You have your soaking tub. You have your walk-in shower. It is tons of open space here, tons of light, and then you have a large primary closet. Looks like a his and her setup. Tons of space to hang up your clothes, shelves for your shoes. So there is plenty of space here. Alright, now we're heading this way, going back out of the primary, and let's check out those other bedrooms. First off, this is the guest bath. Shower tub combo, single sink. Here is the other bedroom. And we're going to go back this way and check out your other bedroom here. Now look, when you come into the common area from the other side, what it looks like. You can have your TV here. Similar setup for the couches. Dinette over here. You have your island area here. Let's come to this side and check out the side door. You have access to the kitchen here. Sink area. Looks like a bit of a, almost like a butler's pantry. Butler's pantry here. Alright, now let's check out the office space. So this is actually pretty sweet. You get a dedicated office space. So you're looking at 3 bedroom, 2 bath, plus an office space. Not bad if you work from home. If you need to get some work done, you just need to knock out some quick busy work. So this is the Arabella by Clayton Homes. I'll show you the floor plan again. Let me know if you like this model or what you want to see. If there's any models you want me to go over. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.